Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Thursday, YouTube. Super great to see you here. Hope you're doing well. Hope this video finds you stupendously happy, wealthy, successful, better looking, little tanner, smoother skin, brighter smile, your winning smile. Anyway, I'm Rob Booker. Nice to see you here. Happy Thursday to you. I wanted to go live for a couple of reasons. And the first and the most important one is I'm going to fill your email inbox over the next couple of days with something that Marquet Latimer and I have been working on. And you can see the link below the video right here, robbiebooker.com/52, if you want to get in on that. It's a really big deal, and it's probably the biggest thing that we've launched in a long time. And we got together in Florida with the whole team, and we planned this whole thing out, and the whole thing turned out great. And I think you're going to love it. And it's all coming out today and tomorrow and the next day. And you don't want to miss the chance to take a look at that. And first of all, go to that link, just type it into your browser and jump on over there and take a look at it. You'll get a video and the whole 9 yards. You'll get to know everything that's going on with what Marquet is working on. It's absolutely spectacular. Second of all, I want to look at the market together, and I haven't gone live in a long time. I can't see. I don't think I can anyway. I can't see any of your comments here in the video, but I can feel them through ESP, right? I know what you're thinking. I don't actually know what you're thinking at all, but I do want to take a look at the market. So happy morning to you. Let's just button up the old shirt here. I put my microphone on, and my shirt came unbuttoned. Hate to get everybody so hot and bothered so early in the morning. So let's take a look at this stock. I just finished talking to some folks about this in the Exotics Club, and I'm going to talk to every single human on planet Earth that I can about this stock. This is Pinduoduo. I ran a scan on the Bloomberg about 4 months ago, and I ran a scan, and the name of the scan was going to be effed companies. So without being vulgar, it was companies that were totally going to be screwed if the economy got worse. And this was number 3 on the list. Companies that basically didn't have enough cash to survive through a credit crunch, which hasn't really happened yet. I mean, if anything at all, the central banks of the world are printing money as fast as they can. But in a credit crunch, in a time of credit crisis, these companies would fail. And this was near the top of the list. I think it was number 3 on the list. Now, Pinduoduo is this interesting company. We're going to read about it a little bit. I'm going to pull up the Yahoo Finance on it, and then I'm going to show you the chart, what you're looking at right now. So you're looking at the chart right now, but I'm going to read to you what Pinduoduo does. They are an e-commerce platform in the People's Republic of China. It operates Pinduoduo, a mobile platform that offers a range of products, including apparel, shoes, bags, blah, 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 debut. So I just told you everything that they do. And then let's look at the technicals. Earnings just came out, and Pinduoduo is bearish divergent, doesn't have any bearish profit circles, which many of you know that I love very much, but I'm looking for one. And a red circle at the top of these candles would be go time for me, and I would probably load up on a position. Now, I've personally set a little bit of a goal. Past performance is no indication of future results. Trading involves a substantial risk of loss. Most people trade like drunken monkeys. Don't ever trade. Put your money under your mattress. All trading is risky. Listen, most people lose money trading. Fact of the matter, for all the talk I do about trading, most people lose everything that they put in. So it's more likely than not that you will lose everything also. It's more likely than not. Like statistically speaking, although it's possible that all the profitable traders watch my YouTube channel and all the unprofitable traders, the other millions and trillions of those people throughout the galaxy, watch other people's YouTube channels. So it's possible that we have a high concentration of profitable traders here on this channel. I would guess that that's the case. That seems like the most reasonable way to put it, because I love you and because I know that you're more beautiful than other people. And I know that you're also smarter than other people about the way that you manage your trades. Now, with all that said, I want to make $97,000 on Pinduoduo. I want to put $10,000 into this trade when it fires off. I want to tell everybody in the world that I took it. and I'm going to take a $1,500 loss if it goes badly. And then I'm going to try to make $97,000 by December 31st on this. And statistically speaking, it probably won't happen. It's probably giantly unlikely to happen. But I don't care. I want to do it anyway. I don't care. I'm going to try it anyway. I like to do things that other people think are impossible and stupid. I like nice things. I like nice things. I like meeting new people. I like traveling. I want to go to Florida like 900 million times this year. I love Florida. No reason in particular. Listen, folks, I want to do well on this one. So what I want to do next is I want to read together with you. I want to read this earnings transcript, and that will require me to stop the screen sharing. Hey, everybody, it's good to see you. And then start my screen sharing and go to Chrome tab on Pinduoduo. So I'm going to read through, I'm going to speed read the earnings transcript from this company. Ladies and gentlemen, blah ba doo ba doo, ba ba doo ba doo, filings and co, but powerful forces, ba da ba doo. Made there for you in time of positioned ourselves about change the retail industry, live streaming, boop ba doo, faster online, boop ba doo, 600, ba ba doo, cars. Pinduo, one of the most challenging in our brief history. We executed on our strategy, helped the small and medium business, positive impact, ba-ba-doo-ba-doo, mentioned on the March call. Thank you, everybody. Let me capital markets, blah, blah, blah. The placement was closed in April. We raised some money, hyper-competitive industry. I don't like that. You need to have a moat around your business. That's what Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger say. Merchants selling agricultural products were negatively impacted. That's the ba-doo. Our financial results, they ba-doo. We grew our users, and since March, and moving on to our costs, everybody says they're trying to manage costs and blah, blah, blah. Our expenses, to sum up, our operating loss was $3.6 billion. So wait a minute, after all this moving upward of your stock, you're not a profitable company? What? Your stock is going up like a rocket ship, but you don't make money? So you had a robust quarter. Great. Is a robust quarter a quarter where you lose money now? Is that the thing? The outlook remains uncertain? Is that a positive thing? So at the same time, we expect the challenging investment outlook to give rise to more attractive investment opportunities. The March private placement increases our cash position, so they want to do some acquisitions. So let's just scroll down and see if they do some Q&A about their business. Ladies and gentlemen, in our growth, we see a reflection. Middle of March, start shipping over 50 million orders on a daily basis. Management, thank you, blah, blah, blah. Your next question, sir, growth, blah, 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 secular trend, blah, blah, blah. Congratulations on the solid results. We're not really adding chargeable payments, blah, blah, blah. The significantly improved, blah, blah, blah. Follow-up question, normalized level. Oh, here we go. The take rate, our revenue that we're generating from online marketplace services will be returning to a very much normalized level in April and May. All right. So they're going to be ahead of or where they were before COVID-19. Your GMV grew astonishing 99%. Is that a run rate? I do believe the investment we made in our ecosystem, stronger business momentum, merchants trying to catch up, seeing more willingness of merchants to spend. We do think that users on our platforms are now shopping with a higher frequency than in China. Very interesting, positive or negative, solid quarter, blah, blah, blah. How do we go about increasing the blah, blah, blah? Thanks. So they said that, listen, things are cranking and we're doing pretty well. I just don't see anything. I don't see anything that explicitly says that they're expecting anything next quarter. So how big is that impact? In the short term, I would say that it won't be too significant. Let's look at next quarter or the quarter next. So they're saying that there may be some. 3 years of consecutive quarterly loss without any cash flow. How could PDD dare say operating cash flow is positive, and even saying without taking into account holding up payments to merchants? There's a hidden underlying story here. They didn't say that they were going to have a really great next quarter. They actually just said, we think things are going to be good. I've said this a million times, but if you're a company and you have great news coming up in the next quarter, you're going to talk about it on the earnings call. You're going to give what's called guidance. You're going to give an outlook, and you're going to tell people how amazing everything is going to be. Now, if you're a company that doesn't have that kind of news to share, you're going to do, boo, we did a great job this last quarter. Aren't we awesome? Ba-ba-doo-ba-doo. Oh, we have losses for 3 years in a row. Ba-ba-doo. I think the stock is going to go to, as I'm looking at it, you pull it up on your platform. It's at $68 today, $67 today. I think Pinduoduo is going to go to $42 a share. That's where I think it's going. Now, I'm not telling you to get into a trade. I'm telling you most traders lose money. But I just wanted to highlight sort of what I think is the after effects of this bull market hangover, that everything moved up nicely. And then the things that really didn't deserve to move up nicely, when the bad news starts coming, the higher they go, the stronger they fall. So there you have it. I hope that you are safe and happy and well. And I hope you know that I love the crap out of you, and really, really happy to spend some time with you here today. Happy Thursday to everybody. Thanks so much for joining me here on the YouTube channel. Subscribe if you like the video. Go to the link below, robbiebooker.com/52. That is big, big news from my friend Mark K. Latimer. The best trade caller I've ever met in my life is on there, and she wants to send you your next 52 trades. It's totally awesome. I can't wait for you to see it, and I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye for now.